Hi, I'm Francesco Mazzei. I'm a chef. I'm running 3 beautiful restaurants in London, and I'm a proud ambassador of the Welsh Lamb. Now, Welsh Lamb Ossobuco. This is basically a lamb shank, as you can see, but we cut Ossobuco style, which is Ossobuco, another classic Italian dish. So what we're going to do is basically just cut a little bit one side, so that helps the Ossobuco not to curve when it cooks. So it's good, always good to do a small cut like that on the edge where the fat is. Yeah, so now what we do, just gonna put in this plate, salt, pepper, and a light dash of flour. Same on the other side. Salt, pepper, and a little dusting of flour. Okay. We don't want a lot of flour here because we don't want the sauce to be too thick. So, olive oil in the pan, adding the Ossobuco. Okay, this will be nice and seared, nice and browned, both sides. Adding a little bit of butter now. You see what I'm saying when the cut on the side? If you don't cut on the side, that's what happens. Yeah, it gets curlier. Do you see what I mean? We don't want that on Ossobuco. It has to be all perfect like this. Okay, now this is ready. Gonna keep them on a plate. Next to it, a beautiful color. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna lose all this fat from this pan. So as you can see, I lost a bit of fat, but not that much, because I'm gonna add the veg to the same pan with the bay leaves. And we sweat them for a few minutes, okay? Okay, look, now, we're adding back the Ossobuco to the pan. All the beautiful veg are. So now, we got the veg, got the Ossobuco, and the wine. Right, again, we gonna make sure that the wine goes completely evaporate. Then we add the rest of the ingredient and we let it cook for about 1 hour, 1 hour 20. Okay, so look, the wine is completely evaporate now. I'm gonna add a couple of spoons of tomato paste and the lamb stock, nearly covered. Okay, so what we do now, cover, lovely piece of paper, and we're gonna put in the oven for 1 hour, 1 hour 20, until it's nice and tender. Ossobuco is ready. Look at the beautiful noisette color. The mash as well here. So we're gonna just go and finish the dish for you now. We made a lovely mashed potato here. Add this lovely Ossobuco, lamb Ossobuco on top. A bit of this lovely mirepoix veg. To finish, got this gremolata out of garlic, parsley, rosemary, lemon zest, and orange zest. It's a perfect way to complement and finish the dish. It's that lovely zingy flavor to it. The lovely smell of herbs. There we go, your lamb Ossobuco with mashed potato and cremolata.